reporting, and ready for duty. Another great feature to explore on SME Snapshot. Let's talk about the reports function. Reports highlights all your key financial ratios and metrics up to any date you choose, displaying your profit and loss statement, balance sheet, and everything in between. Simple, clear, and built for you. Here's how to get there in seconds. From the dashboard, click the 3-stack icon on the top left and select Reports, or click the report icon directly. Select the date you want to pull reports up to, and there you go. Profit and loss, balance sheet, followed by all metrics and ratios that you'd love to see. Pro tip, hit refresh all. First, to make sure all data pulled from your accounting platform is up to date, or any recent changes that were made pull through. Accurate data means accurate insights. SME Snapshot, making decisions easier, clearer, and giving you peace of mind. Reports are free on all plans. Sign up today. Your business will thank you for it. Get in touch. Get informed. Get clarity that your business needs.